Morning everyone. Today is the big day. Kitchen going in. Got delivered yesterday afternoon. I've just been in patching up this bit under the window here. It's all done. Doesn't have to be perfect because obviously joinery covering it all. So it's all done. Bit of a quick clean up, and then all of this has to be installed. All that and all that has to go in. So there's a bit to be done, but we're pretty excited. So I'll keep you in the loop with what's going on. But that's also laundry, a couple of bits that go here in the lounge room. But yeah, cannot wait. This is going to be amazing once it goes in. This is what the whole project sort of centers around: kitchen, window, this outdoor area. So pretty excited. Keep watching, guys, and see how it comes out. Hey, here we go. Back out here, surfers. We are making it all happen today. Look at that window open, everything open, fresh air coming into this place. Looking really great. Looking really great. Come on inside, have a look at what we've done in here. We've got Bobby here, our installer. He has been going for it here in the kitchen. Brand new shaker style kitchen. They're nice shaker cabinets. They're looking really cool. Really cool. All this going in. All the brand new stuff. Drawers, big banks of drawers everywhere. Another bank down here. Big bank of overheads going in here. We cover all that over. Our big window looking good, looking the business. Out there, sitting out there having drinks, watching the kids in the pool. Not that I'm going to watch my kids anymore, but there'll be a pool there instead of bins. It's all happening, all happening. Our big pile of cupboards here, slowly disappearing. All coming down. Come with me into the garage. Come laundry. Don't worry about me ducking in that door. I'm ducking every door. Big bank of laundry cupboards going in here. All this has been happening probably by tomorrow night. Looking fantastic. Our brand new back door has arrived. There's a job for Jamie now. Had the electrician in. He's moved a few bits and pieces. That light switch gone from here. Only gone to this side of the door of the wall. There it is there. Brand new front door arrived. I'm going to keep that laying flat so it doesn't go out of shape or warp or bend or twist underneath it. Our brand new back door for the laundry with a big hunk of glass in it. So that's all happening here in the master bedroom. Wiring, all the roughing has been done for these wires because as you know, there's light switch power point for behind the bed. We're going to have a couple of pendant lights hanging down here. I've kind of marked out where the bed will line up, where the wardrobe will go, and all that kind of thing with a bit of tape. All that wiring has gone in now, so that when you put the kitchen in on the other side of that wall, it didn't affect anything. I'm going to get Ross River virus now because I've just been bitten by Mozzie. You can see me starting to scratch like a rabid dog. So as we were talking this morning, that's the wall that I had to chase wires out into. Would have just been too hard for Mick later on because tomorrow all this will be covered up. Won't be able to get access into that other room. All the drilling into the noggins and things like that. Wouldn't have been able to do it. So it's all happening here at Wildwood. Pretty excited, and it's starting to take some shape. Tomorrow I've got flooring. Got some guys in to price up some flooring for me. I'm going to get some samples for that. What else? I've got the guys coming out to give me a price to grind out all these stumps. I want all that gone. There's a heap of them over where the pool goes. A few over in there. They've got to be ground out, so I don't want them there. Makes life a lot harder for us, and plus there's it makes the fill dirty. We don't want tree stumps and that in the fill. I've got a guy that's taking our fill down in Coomera, so it's a couple of grand that we're saving there. I'll dump and fill there. He's got a big hole in the ground he wants filled up, so everyone's a winner. Anyway, it's all happening here, and I'm about to go home and have a beer. Catch you next time.